Want to program a key fob for your 1998-2005 Chevy Blazer yourself? It's a straightforward process that can save you money. These older models use a simple remote keyless entry system, making DIY programming highly successful. The goal is to reprogram your Blazer's computer, usually the BCM, to recognize the new fob signal. You'll typically need just your key and the new key fob. Remember that reprogramming will wipe any previously programmed fobs, so have all fobs you want to use ready. First, insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Hold for about 5 seconds, then turn it off, and wait 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times to enter programming mode. Within a short time window after the cycles, press the lock or unlock button on your key fob to synchronize it with the vehicle. If programming fails, check for common issues like a weak key fob battery or a faulty body control module. Use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose the BCM health. Online forums like chevyforum.com provide user success stories and troubleshooting advice.